What's up, everybody? It's Charles, your PPC specialist, all the way from Pearl Lemon Group, the best SEO company in the game. So, today, it's a Sunday, a beautiful day. I'm just going to talk about very, very quick one, um, customer acquisition. So, you normally find this as, well, um, customer per acquisition, right? You see this in Google ads, Facebook ads. So what is customer acquisition? So I just created some notes for you guys so that you can actually get a better understanding of what this is, right? So customer acquisition, if you're with me, is in essence the process of attracting, engaging, and converting potential customers into paying ones. So every single time you hear about um, customer per acquisition, think along these lines, right? So it's the engine that drives business growth by expanding your customer base and ultimately increasing revenue. So the process typically involves several key steps, right? So firstly, you need to identify your target audience. So understanding who your ideal customer is and where to find them. This involves defining demographics, interests, and online behavior patterns. So, like your age, gender, what, the customer or an ideal customer, behaves online. Do they like to look at things that are close to what you're trying to sell, pretty much, or what your business is all about if they do have interest in a particular field. So secondly, you want to also consider reaching your target audience, so which goes by employing various marketing and advertising channels to get your message in front of potential customers. So this can include online channels like Google Ads, social media, email marketing, along with offline tactics like trade shows and direct mail. Then thirdly, generating interest and engagement. So creating compelling content, offers offers that resonate with your target audience and pique their curiosity um, about your products or services, right? So this might involve informative, blog posts, engaging social media content, or targeted ad campaigns. Then fourth, you have nurturing leads and building trust. So establishing relationships with potential customers by providing ongoing communication, helpful resources, and personalized experiences. These can involve email, marketing automation, live chat support, or educational webinars. Five, you have driving conversions and sales, ultimately convincing potential customers to make a purchase or sign up for your services. So this often involves clear calls to action, optimized landing pages, and persuasive sales channel. So um, the metrics to look at, obviously, with customer acquisition. So these are the metrics that go along with, just that whole definition, which is more like a broad strategy of what, the business or the customer is ideally centered on, in terms of what the business is trying to reach. So basically, these are the main metrics that we need to, look at to measure effectiveness of our campaigns, right? Or our customer acquisition efforts in this matter. So you have cost per acquisition, which is the direct one to, customer acquisition, which is the average cost of acquiring a new customer. Simple as that. And the customer lifetime value is basically the revenue, right? A customer generates over their relationship with your business. So that's like a long term, you know, metric. And conversion rate, the percentage of website visitors or leads who convert into paying customers. Then lead generation rate, the number of new leads generated through your marketing channels. Overall, customer acquisition is a strategic, multifaceted process that requires ongoing analysis and optimization. By understanding your target audience, employing effective marketing channels, and nurturing leads effectively, you can build a strong and sustainable customer base for your business. And with that, that concludes our lesson on what is customer acquisition. I hope you've learned a lot with this, and yeah, catch you on another video. Cheers.